Penampilan selanjutnya yaitu pidato bahasa Inggris yang akan ditampilkan oleh Raisa Azhara Rahadi, kelas 6. Waktu dan tempat dipersilakan.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to the honorable Good morning to the honorable chairman of Al Anshar Islamic Primary School and team, the honorable principal, all the teachers and staff of Al Anshar Islamic Primary School. May Allah give also all the audiences. May Allah give you all healthy and happiness. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Raisa Azhara Rahadi. Today, I am going to tell you about the primary of Muslim character. As a Muslim who believes that our attitude and behavior is reflected by the moral, we must know what the moral is about. One of the good moral is not being an arrogant, but we have to praiseworthy and noble. These moral can help us to achieve happiness in this world and the hereafter. And then, people who have civilized the moral will be liked by others, and they are reflected as a good Muslim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Al-Quran, Surah Al-Furqan, ayat 63. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa ibadur rahmanil ladzina yamshuna 'alal ardi hauna wa idza khatabahumul jahiluna qalu salama. The true servants of the most compassionate are those who walked on the earth humbly, and when the foolish address them improperly, they only respond with peace. Dear audiences, in that surah means a good Muslim will do worship sincerely, including obey and civilized. Allah promises heaven for those who have good moral in this world. Last but not least, let's try to be good Muslim according to Al-Quran and Sunnah for a better life. Ameen. Finally, thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.